Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have another Michaels haul for you. I went back to see if the dollar items were still on sale, or actually the $2 items were still on sale for $1, and they were. Plus I had a 20% off everything coupon, so that made them 80 cents. So these were the things that I found in that section. I found these cute little craft paper bags. There's 6 in a package. And then I found some tags, and there's 18 in there. Found this really cute cactus stamp set, and it had a little die. I also found another stamp that has, I believe it's an embossing folder with it, as well as the stamp. So I thought that was really cute. And then there's a cactus tag set that has 24 pieces, and then this die cut shapes of the cactus that has 24. And those were all the 80-cent items. And then the last 2 items I found there were this unicorn set of envelopes and paper. It's a writing set or a stationery set. And then this one here with the mermaid. So I thought these would be great in my, I'm going to do like a mermaid unicorn junk journal, so as well as a cactus succulent themed junk journals that are coming. And then in the bead section, all of the red tagged beads were $2 for a strand, and then the green were $3. So if you've been following the last few videos that I've been doing with my teddy bear junk journals, I will be making some charm dangles, and I'm going to be making little teddy bear charms using polymer clay. So you will want to come back for that video. That will be coming up, or I'll put a link if I've already put that video up. So anyway, I found some other beads to go along with those charms. Here is some red wood beads, and then some brown wood beads. And then I found these red beads. They're all different shades of red. They're a glass bead. It says a check glass bead. And then I found these that have the little paw prints on them, so I thought that would go well with the teddy bear theme. And these were the $3 ones. And then I'm so excited because I found at my Michaels they're starting to carry the Illustrated Faith, and they had some like 4 or 5 collections of the Illustrated Faith. I picked up this one, and this one, it doesn't have a theme for it, but yeah, it doesn't say if it's part of one of their themes, but I just thought that these were really cute. I'm going to be doing a Bible journaling tomorrow that will be on friendship, so I just thought the 2 girls went well with one of my friends that I'm gonna be, I don't know, one of my best friends, so I wanted to journal about that, so about friendship. And then the last 3 things I picked up were the Hot Buys, because they are $5 right now, and I'm not sure if they'll still be by the time this video goes up, but I found this one that has the cactus and succulents in it, so I'll do a little flip through. This one's called Santa Fe Garden, and it has some solids. It has, I'm going to pull this up so you can see it a little bit better. So in this one, there is some solids in the back. Then there's this really cute cut aparts here, journaling cards. And some more solids. Here it says rain brings blossoms. And there's that one, really pretty. It has the gold foiling. And there's some cactus. And this one's a pink watercolor with little tiny cactuses. That one. Kind of a cactus lines that you would see on a cactus. More gold foiling. That's really cute. There's that one. Really pretty. I really love this. I love the colors. They're so bright in this one. Really cute. Let Love Grow. That's beautiful. And then more cactus. So that's that one. And that's a Craftsmith. And then I was digging around and I found one of these. It's a Bible journaling pad. It was a hot buy. And it's by Recollections, and I'd never seen this one before. So it has bookmarks that you can put in your Bible journaling, or like a side mark or whatever. I guess that's what they call it. Let's see. And there's this one. It has verses on it. Daily meditation log. I'm going to be making some prayer journals, more of like a junk journal style, but for prayer journaling or Bible journaling along with reading your Bible. So be on the lookout for those, and I'll be putting those in my Etsy shop. This is just a beautiful pad. It has super bright colors, a lot of watercolor, but just bright, vibrant. It's that one. Some cut aparts. God is Love. This one, they pop out to make tags, so that's pretty cool. I didn't notice that before. And there's that. Hearts with gold foiling. Oh, that's beautiful. Psalms page. So I can't wait to work with this. And it seems like it has, a lot of them have 3 of each. Not every pattern, but some of them do. So that's really pretty. And then the last one I found was this Fly Me Away. And I will be also doing travel themed journals, so I picked this up. There's that page. Some vintage pictures there. Cameras. These are really cool old suitcases. This one has old airplanes. There's a travel log page. Stamps. That's really pretty. Kind of like a sketched out scene. I'm not sure if that's Italy or I don't know what that is. Some map pages. There's some journaling cards with some vintage pictures. That's pretty cool. Tickets. And then it kind of repeats everything there. Oh, there's postcards. That's pretty neat. So yeah, that was pretty cool. So that was my haul for this week. I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.